Damn. I used to have such a good life. Can't believe it's all coming to an end. You think I'm a pessimist? This is just brutal reality. I hide out in half-collapsed basements, in strangers' ruined houses. I dig through scraps like a rat just to survive another day. I was lucky. I was born in the greatest country on earth. We had the strongest army, all the money in the world. But when they showed up, we turned out to be so helpless it's almost funny. I don't know what's going on in other countries, but I doubt it's any better. The giants are still here. I know it. First came the big ones. They rolled over my country like a steamroller. Then the smaller ones came, even more disgusting. They pulled us out of our hiding spots like we were bugs under a rock. We screamed, we fought, we begged. Funny, isn't it? But when you stare death in the face, that feeling of powerlessness squeezes the air out of your lungs. Sometimes that helps.